I'm Dr. Nirmal Shah. I'm the Chief Executive of Nature Seychelles, which is an NGO. We've been working for 20 years now in the Seychelles, but also regionally in the Western Indian Ocean and internationally with BirdLife International. Most of our work in the beginning was to save some of the most endangered birds in Africa, which happened to be here in Seychelles, because many of these birds were sliding into the brink of extinction. And we took a lot of inspiration from our principal partner, BirdLife International, which helped us to save the Seychelles warbler, which when this BirdLife started its work was probably the rarest bird in the world. Most of our work was then concentrated on actually restoring habitats on entire islands to bring new population of birds. So we had to work with not only government, but also the private sector and businesses. So most of our biggest successes have been with high-end island resorts or 5-star and 6-star island resorts like Frigate Island, Dennis Island and Cuisine Island, where we established new population of birds, and with some of them like Frigate, we were able to save some of the birds that were found only there. Like with Frigate Island, when we started our work, there were only about 19 to 20 individuals of the Seychelles magpie robin left in the world. They were all on that island, and we worked with island management and other partners to be able to establish new populations of the Seychelles magpie robin in other islands like Cuisine, like Dennis and so forth. And I think that success story has inspired many others, not only in Seychelles but also in the Pacific, to do the same, because we helped island owners eradicate rats and cats and mice and other invasive species. We established very large programs on a couple of these islands to take out invasive plant species like coconut trees and others and plant new forests. And all this now we found that have been really great successes, because we've managed to downlist these birds on the IUCN red list of endangered species further down, thus taking them away from the threat of extinction. This was huge worldwide success. And at the same time, we worked a lot on public education and school curricular development, so that the public and future generations would know of our work and support our work. So we funded wildlife clubs of Seychelles in all the schools. We helped to develop textbooks and other books for all the schools, and that, I think, has established the sort of environmental constituency or environmental generation that we see today. Today there are many more NGOs and many more people working to save the environment than when we started our work 20 years ago.